Jadi nggak ada sih. Oh, udah ini. Udah, apa yang salah sih anjir? Tuh. Ini udah. Ceknya gimana sih? Oh, pantesan. There you go, finally. Chat box mana chat? Ah, ini dia. Ah, finally. No, no.
on your stream later, as well as going over these settings because they are pretty important. Paste your stream key, but there is another option in Streamlabs OBS. Let's click on done, and on the left you see layout editor. Now right here you can change the layout of Stream.io and then click on save changes. Now right here this will be an actual browser window, so when I make this bigger you will see that I can just log the website to here. Viewers, then I can select Twitch right here. I can say hi, and when I go to my Twitch channel you'll see that I say hi right here. But if you're connected to a bunch of other platforms, then you will see a bunch of options right here, and you can send messages with a certain profile. If I select restream all profiles, click on that, and then you will get a link right here on top. It's blurred right now, but this is a link and then I can replace this link right here with the link I copied here on the right. Let's click on OK, and now this right here will be my restream chat. And many people will want to get rid of this background, and that's extremely easy right here on the right. Chat background opacity, let's set platform. So for example, my Twitch bot already reacts to exclamation mark socials, or I have the same bot on another platform, and that's true because as you see I typed exclamation. I know that a bunch of you will say, well, I have certain commands on my other streaming platform. So for exclamation mark socials, and I send that, then it will not make all these commands on your other platforms. You can just make them right here, and it will just gives us our restream chat. Now the only downside about this is that it isn't full height. Now to here, then you stream.io, but you can't look at channels. These are the three you see. Is that when you update your information. Okay, and right now you see that we get 3 new windows, right? Let's click them right here, and the right here. You can disable one of your platforms if you don't want to stream to it. I'm gonna enable it right now, and you can also find these windows when you go to view, to docs, and then right here chat, stream information, and restream channels. These are the 3 you see right here. Now you can also close one of them if you want, or you can grab them out and then you have them as a separate window to put somewhere on your screens if you have multiple of them. And right now I'm gonna quickly show you how to do the same thing in Streamlabs OBS. Now the problem with Streamlabs OBS is that when we go to the settings and then we go to stream, right here we can select streaming services, then we can select restream.io, but you can't log in right here. The only thing you can do is paste your stream key, but there is another option in Streamlabs OBS. Let's click on done, and on the left you see layout editor. Now right here you can change the layout of, grab them out, and then you have them as a separate window to put somewhere on your screens if you have multiple of them. And right now I'm gonna quickly show you how to do the same thing in Streamlabs OBS. Now the problem with Streamlabs OBS is that when we go to the settings and then we go to stream, right here we can select streaming services, then we can select restream.io, but you can't log in right here. The only thing you can do is paste your stream key, but there is another option in Streamlabs OBS. Let's click on done, and on the left you see layout editor. Now right here you can change the layout of Streamlabs OBS. You can replace windows, but you can also get a completely different layout right here on the left, and this one right here is the only one that gives you 6 windows, which gives you 1 extra window that you can use. Now on the left you see website right here, and you can drag this to here. Then you can enter restream.io and then click on save changes. Now right here this will be an actual browser window. So
Oh, tuh kan. Go to your OBS dashboard and source.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a chat out viewers are supposed to see. And for a fun little kicker, a lot of viewers to ensure that anyone watching your video later can see the chat messages in mode. Little kicker, a lot of viewers do box overlay, OBS widget, and now you're right. What is overlay? Well.com and log into the dashboard. Click on all widgets on gallery, changing the look of your way your chat box looks. You can play around with theme, badges, extra emotes, background color, text color, and font size. You can also change the functionality of your chat box by using the following features. Hide the message after allows your message to fade away after a set time. Always show messages disables the messages in chat box from fading. Chat delay sets how long it takes for a message to appear in your chat box. Hide chatters hides common chatbots and or commands that start with exclamation point. Custom bad words allows you to add custom words that you do not want to appear in your chat box. You can also change the theme of your chat box by using stream overlays. The Streamlabs library has thousands of stream overlays with custom chat box overlays that match themes. Visit the Streamlabs overlay library and then click on widget themes. Find a widget theme that you like and click install. Please note, not every Streamlabs OBS, and now you will see the gallery. Copy the widget URL, open OBS Studio, and add a source. Click on browser, copy and paste the widget URL, and now your chat box overlay theme will appear on OBS Studio. Adding a chat box overlay is really simple. You can do it on Streamlabs OBS or regular OBS. Do whatever's best for you, play around with it, and have some fun. We're just here to help you out and give you the best tools that we can.
Belanja online tapi nggak punya rekening bank atau kartu kredit, belanja pakai Shopee COD aja.
Bener banget.
How's it going, everyone? John here, and welcome with that as well. So, as you can see here, this is the little box that I have, right? Other things. So, more old school, and it's kind of, you can add in these the dust if you adjust it. And same thing with like muting. If you ever need to refresh it, do, and then we're gonna say done. So, if I wanted to mess with this, what I'll do is I'll see if I can get the chat to actually let me do something. All right, so let me, if it will work here. So it shows the mixer thing right there, right? Okay, so let's say you wanted it to be.
Getting everything set up in Streamlabs OBS can be pretty confusing, and streaming isn't meant to be confusing, it is meant to be fun, right? Today, you'll go from having absolutely nothing set up to having this awesome overlay set up, as well as understanding how to add, customize, and edit every single thing you need and want inside Streamlabs OBS. Let's go.
How's it going, everyone? John here, and welcome back to another stream. Not displaying correctly, or if it's kind of lagging for you, you could try to be in, and you don't want to really. This allows people to be able to. So to set this up, what we're going to do is create our scene, and it's just really handy. It already kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of what you're working with. Now, if you ever need to adjust any of the size of like the box, or maybe it's too tall and it's not able to fit into an area that you want it to be in, and you don't want to really shrink down the overall like properties of it, like you don't want this to get really small, I'm going to show you how to work with that as well. So as you can see here, this is the little box that I have, right? This is the normal that you'll have, the 600 by 600. Don't even worry about the FPS, that's not important. So let's say that though you wanted this to kind of fit inside of a box. So you can do that by adjusting the width and height. And as we go through